Hey, it's Greg King, and welcome to Affiliate Tube Success Academy. And in this short video, because everyone loves long videos, I'm going to discuss the smart money tactics of how you can actually do affiliate marketing without a website. That's right. No website. In fact, you don't have to worry about going to Wix or to GoDaddy and design a whole website on your own. And that's a tall order in itself. You don't have to hire someone to actually design it for you. You don't have to put blogs on. You don't have to put links on at the top of the page. You don't have to put a home page on. You don't have to put a contact number. You don't even have to worry about putting a 1-800 number. You don't have to worry about customer service or returns or even inventory. And then I'm going to show you how you can do this and rank yourself on the first page of Google and the first page of YouTube, the number 1 and 2 most searched platforms in the world. And I'll give you some examples how you can do it and how you can actually, once again, rank on the first page of Google, YouTube, 1, 2, 3 on the top spots on both sides. Then in a moment, I'm going to share with you a couple of links where you can actually dive in if you want to take it a little further and do it yourself without a website. Why do I say that websites are going to become less and less relevant as well as blogs? Well, it's what Google said about 5 years ago when Google mentioned that the main medium for communication, whether it be on Google or on YouTube or for selling products, will be videos. And we're starting to see that right now, that videos are taking more and more the first place on YouTube and Google. And by just doing a handful of videos, and as mentioned before, following Paul Murphy's 24-hour ranking system, not only will we be able to rank on YouTube, but because they're owned by both the same company, those will migrate over onto Google, which is the number one search platform in the world. And I'm going to show you now a couple of examples of how it's actually starting to occur now. So what we can do is we can just put in the title of this video on affiliate marketing without a website and see what comes up. And what you notice right off the bat is there'll be an information area. We'll have the 10 things or 10 ways to do an affiliate marketing. Then what people will ask, then there'll be the odd website, how to do affiliate marketing, and it goes down. Then lo and behold, on the first page, the videos occur. And once again, is what Google was saying is videos are going to overtake the websites. And as we go down a little bit further, we go to the next page here. And you'll see a couple of more websites, but once again, you'll see videos down the second. And we could go on and on and on, but let's face it, by the time you get to the third page, I mean, people don't go to the third page. They usually stick to the first 1 or 2 pages. In fact, they usually only go down probably halfway down the first page. So what I mentioned a moment ago is all you need to do is have a simple YouTube channel. Now, how do you get a simple YouTube channel? Well, just Google it. Hold on a second, look at this. And sure enough, you have create a personal channel, a couple of 3 or 4 different checks on it, and you'll come down, you'll say, people also ask, then bang, videos on the first page. These are all organic. And once again, with this process that I'm going to show you that Paul Murphy has with the 24-hour ranking system, you can actually be ranking on the first page of Google right like this. Now, as you come down a little further, there you go. There's your websites. So you see they're starting to take second fiddle to videos. And as you go in here, this is also a real popular site where all the videos are. And I'll be able to show you in a moment as well how you can get a link where you can actually get a little deeper and actually make these videos happen. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to make videos. Well, you're going to have to make a handful of videos to make this work. However, you do not have to put your face in front of the camera. Besides, probably about 95% of all the videos out there on YouTube are your faces behind the camera, because if you're looking for a mortgage, you're looking for a car loan, you don't want to see someone's face. You just want to see the facts. So how am I going to make a video? Well, just turn around and put in best video apps or best video editing apps. And once again, you'll come up to this, and there you go. The videos are basically taking the front page again. I mean, you've got, once again, you have a couple of web pages, but really it's all videos now. And here your web page is following behind. And then you go to the second page now. And once again, the videos will be near the top, and then everything else will be websites. The question that comes up is, yeah, that's okay, but what will it work on, like a product or a service? This not only affiliate marketing, but a product or service I want to place on Google to have people search for me. Well, I'm just going to pull this one up here, and it is what is we're going to have best side by sides for the money, because down in Mexico, side by sides are pretty hot right now. And as you can see here, you've got some photos, you've got the top 10 utilities, then you have a couple of websites, then bang. First page again, videos, followed by websites. And I just finished mentioning it works for any product, service, or affiliate product at all. Here's the second page. But once again, by the time you hit the second page, you might as well be on the last page, because most people don't go that far. They usually go to the first page and stay there. And you can see here, if you could put your videos here, I mean, how cool would that be if you could put them on the first page of the largest search engine in the world for free? So you may ask, does this system work? Well, heck yeah, because I'm getting results like this. And this, and what's incredible about this program is I'm ranking on the first page of YouTube and Google in literally minutes. And it's not the odd time. It happens literally every time I upload a video onto YouTube. It migrates over to Google for free on the front page. And you can see again here, and it's the longevity. I'm getting like pretty good results after 11 months. I've got almost 7,000 reviews here. This is not so great as 500, but this one's pretty good after 11 months. It's over 2,000, or a couple hundred videos or a couple of hundred views a month on this video. Don't get me wrong. It's not that websites are bad. I mean, I've got one. It's marginally effective. It works hand in hand with my YouTube channel, but I'm getting the rankings with my YouTube channel. My website is probably on the third page. Maybe sometimes it may get up to the second page, but it rarely gets. It never gets onto the first page. Whereas making a handful of videos that I'm behind the camera or even in front of the camera doesn't really make any difference. I'm consistently getting on the first page of YouTube and Google literally immediately, organically, and with longevity. Now, if this has tweaked your curiosity and you want to just dive into it a little deeper, I'm going to put two links in the description box and also in the comment section. And the first link is going to be in regards to a 24-hour ranking system. And you can just take a look to see if it makes sense or not. The second is a bonus, and this is worth its weight in gold. It's Paul Murphy's weekly sales training course for affiliate marketing. He'll do the tips and tricks on how to actually get your videos up there, staying up there, and all these little things that really make a huge difference. So check it out today or tomorrow, and hopefully this makes sense for you. So if you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, so you won't miss another one of my videos. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know if this would make sense for you or not. Now, in the next video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually start an affiliate online business with no money down. Until next time, have an awesome day, and we'll catch you soon. Cheers.